melt.
It'll
Oh,
melt.
it's melt.
Cold?
Hole in my glove.
I was going to say, be careful there. Hurt yourself.
That'd be bad. Bird bath. Ah!
Oh, look at
Whoa!
that. Boiling.
Whoa!
Oh, cool.
Oh, man. That is bizarre.
That's weird, isn't it?
Cool.
Oh, dang.
That's neat. Very neat.
Oh, that's weird.
Those are carbon dioxide bubbles.
Yep.
Oh.
Cool.
Very
Yeah, it does
Looks
kind
like
of
an
smell, doesn't it?
experiment.
Pure
Barely.
carbon dioxide.
Daddy!
Hansel and Gretel.
Daddy! That's
Come in, my dear.
bath. Bath.
A boiling cauldron.
Weird.
That is weird.
Yeah.
Oh my.
When the wind dies down, yeah.
Hello.
Making clouds.
Big.
How long is it going to be there?
It's gone.
Taking its
Is that,
time.
that whole chunk is left in there?
Yeah.
Oh my, it's gonna do that for a while. And I don't think the birds will be happy about that.
And they probably come to look. Maybe they'll come to look.
Daddy,
What?
we're staying in the bubble bath.
Yeah?
Oh, a bubble bath.
What are you trying to do over here?
I'm going to put this 2x6